welcome back to another studio vlog. Today is Monday, it's Memorial Day. I just got back a few hours from a weekend getaway with some family, and now I'm going to try to be productive for this afternoon. I really want to record 2 watercolor tutorials for YouTube, so we will be doing that together. I'm really fighting the urge to take the day off and just relax and do yard work and work in my garden because it is so beautiful out right now. Like, it's sunny and warm, but instead I am going to try to be productive. I need to clean my studio a little bit because it's kind of messy right now. My workspace is messy, and then we'll get started. I have most of my desk all cleaned up now, and I am getting ready to record the tutorials. So I am going to figure out exactly what colors I need for these tutorials, and the first tutorial I'm going to do is a how to draw herbs tutorial, and I'm also going to explain how to add watercolors to them. Then I'm going to do a watercolor lavender tutorial. For these tutorials, I'm just trying to get all of my supplies together so that I can easily explain like what kind of supplies they will need for the tutorials. I just got done sketching out kind of how I want each herb to look in this tutorial because I don't want to go into recording the tutorial and then kind of be like, okay, how am I going to draw this herb? So I based each of these herb drawings off of these herb paintings I did a few months back. I think that I am now ready to start recording this tutorial. I have chives and oregano in my garden, so I thought it would be fun to pick some and have it as a prop for this tutorial. Chives produce such pretty flowers, don't they? And I need to decide what camera I want to use, either this DSLR or this guy. I guess I will choose whatever one that I can get super close to because I don't want my tutorial to be like far away like this, you know? I want it to be more like up close. And I have a lot of trouble doing that with my DSLR, so I'll figure that out and then I will get on to recording. Alright, I think I finalized my tutorial setup for how to draw herbs and paint them with watercolors. And I've decided to use my little Canon camera because I can get super close to the painting, a lot closer than I can with my DSLR. tutorial. It took me like 4 hours, which is weird. I didn't think it would take me this long. So the watercolor lavender tutorial I will probably film tomorrow, but I'm glad that I at least have one tutorial finished. Yay! This tutorial will actually probably be uploaded before I upload this vlog, so you can check it out in the card above or in the description below if you want to watch it and try it out for yourself. And so I think now I'm going to check out for today, but we can hang out tomorrow. I'll vlog as I film the other tutorial that I want to do, and we can hang out, and yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Wednesday. I know I told you that I would vlog the next day, which was yesterday, but it happened because I sat at my computer the whole entire day and edited the how to draw herbs tutorial. So that took me the entire day. I thought it would only take me like the morning, but it didn't. So now it's Wednesday afternoon and I'm going to record another tutorial, and it's a lavender tutorial, a watercolor lavender tutorial. And for the tutorial I am basing it off of this lavender painting I did a few months ago for the 100 Days of Watercolor Challenge. Here is my setup, and I cut some sprigs of lavender. I have a lavender plant, so I went ahead and I cut some sprigs, and I might kind of lay them out kind of by the watercolor paper to make this look pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna figure that out, and then I'm going to get recording. Yay, I finished this tutorial. I decided to record my palette to show how I mix my colors, so I thought that'd be more helpful. So I'm using this camera to do that, and then I used my DSLR for the main recording, and it didn't really end up like exactly like this one. It's interesting to see how different they are. A big difference could be this paper. This is cold press paper and this is hot press. So as you can see, this paper is a lot smoother. So I think that's why this one looks a lot more like smooth and soft, and then this one is like a lot more rough, like the flowers. So yeah, but anyways, I like it. I'm very happy how it turned out, and I think you guys will really like this tutorial. So be sure to check it out on my YouTube. It'll probably be the video after this vlog. I'm thinking about starting editing this vlog to get a head start for tomorrow because that's tomorrow's plan. And I also need to take some photos for my shop because I'm going to be adding some new prints and some new artwork to my shop tomorrow as well. So I need to take photos and I'm going to get off here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I had a lot of fun. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment. Please comment below. Let me know what you think of my videos and what you'd like to see from me. I love your comments. They mean a lot. And I work so hard on these YouTube videos. So any kind of engagement I can get from my videos will really help my channel. So yeah. Bye guys. I appreciate you. See you next week.